Now, so we're starting to see, as you see the market try to bounce a little bit. Look, the bond market or the 20-year, the TLT, was like bouncing and looking strong, but now it's looking more like a doja candle and weaker. So that's why we're seeing equity bounce a little bit. And that was a huge flush. And I just seen a big pop in volume on Tesla. Right here. 3 million shares. But there's 3.9. Okay. Alright, so look. We had 2.3, 2.5, 3.9, and now 3.2. Can I get my thrills? You know you want. And just really quick, I mean, look, we seen Microsoft, come here, bounce, reject off VWAP twice, reject decent, crack below the support, but now it's down here and it's seeming like it wants to base again. It's trying to stop the hemorrhaging. Let's see, because this is going to be crucial. But you got to remember, like, Microsoft was already up, like, on some news. Like, it had I don't know if it bought up a stake in a company or some type of partnership or something. So Microsoft was already up. And man, look, if I would have just held those Apple trizzies for longer, look, dog, this thing just keeps fading. Like, I just, the opportunity cost. And I didn't want to be distracted in case we had some real movement. Let's check and see. I want to see how much space I have left. And obviously, these things like the SPY and the Qs are going to have trouble on this 120-day moving average. I basically look at that as like a directional. So as long as we're still above the 120, like, you can kind of look at a particular instrument or, equity or whatever you're trading. If it's above the 120, I would consider it still kind of bullish and like a uptrend, a short-term uptrend. I'm back. I mean, bro, look at where Apple is now. So I should have been more patient, bro. You feel me? Like, I was feeling like I missed my opportunity here. So I just got out like when we got like right here. But now look at it. We're way down here, going back to previous close. So if I would have just been patient on that one, bro, like, that thing would have worked out. Like, it actually, you feel me? Like, it actually might end up being a good trade anyways, or it would have. It has the opportunity to. It has the opportunity to do that. You feel me? Look at Apple, dude. Look, damn it! I should have been more patient. So look, that little theory, that theory / thesis, bro, it was correct. It was correct, bro. I was just impatient. It's all good though. I mean, I still worked it a little bit. You're never gonna be able to catch 100% of a move, anyways. So, like, you just have to get comfortable catching the meat of the move. You know what I mean? You're never gonna catch 100% of any move. Like, and if you do, like, it's just luck. But look, as we see the market fade, right? Look at the bonds. Look at the bond market. Look, just stair-stepping up. That's a bullish pattern. Look, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. You feel me? So there's your correlation. And look, Nvidia cracked below the 120. Tesla down here, damn near on the lows. Look, 159.86 was the low. Right now we're trading at 159.15. The low of this was 158.50 was the low. We're trading at 159 down there, 159 flat. And look, check out the S&P 500. Let's zoom in on this thing. And look, we're in that gap fill territory, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, if we broke down right here where we bounced at and where we chopped around, especially the 9 EMA, and then broke through the 9 and through this little intraday 42 level, we're going down here where there's nothing. There's just a big gap. So there's nowhere to really catch a bid at. And I mean, we've been fading, but you also have to keep in mind that it's like you have to watch the time. Look, we're in lunchtime chop. So the big boys are on lunch break. Look at Microsoft coming down on this 120, trying to crack it. What's the 120? 256.17. We're breaking below it. We're at 256.10. And there's your correlation. Look at the bonds. And more correlation. Look at the spot. Look at the S&P 500. Like just stepping down in here, bro. There's nothing here. I mean, there might be from like yesterday or, some days ago. I mean, you got to go back to all the way over here. Which I don't know. Like, what day is this? The 5th? All the way over here. And then right here, the 2nd. And then the 30th. Like, that's the zone that we're trading in right now. And look, just coming down, bro. Like, damn, will this thing fade all the way to the previous close? I mean, that'd be kind of crazy, but again, bro, like hopium versus logic. Like, yeah, the numbers came in cool. It's good for the economy. Yeah, we understand that, but still, everything's still like it's too high, bro. Like the valuations, the PE ratios, you feel me? Things need to come down. And I don't think the Fed and Chairman Powell wanted the market to run up like this, bro. This is not what he wants. But he's gonna be happy though a bit. They got inflation. They got it to start to stop, to cool off a little bit. So all this bullishness is because I guess the markets know that there's no chance for a 75 basis point hike. So it's going to be 50. They priced in 50 basis points. And look, bro, just goes to show you, bro, that you got to be patient. Look at that. Look at where Apple is. Look, it gave it all back, bro. So that if I would have just held those trizzies, like AMC is moved down 5%. I mean, yeah, because the whole market's fading right now. And dog, if we're not careful here, we're about to go red on the day, bro. Look, the S&P 500 getting closer and closer to this previous close. And you want to see some correlation? Here, look at the bonds. Bonds ripping, crossing over VWAP, bro. Oh, I think we're about to flush right now. Look at Nvidia. I mean, Nvidia's been strong. Get out of here. Nvidia's been strong, but even Nvidia's coming down a little piece. You feel me? And then look at Tesla. What did I say? Look, Tesla's leading the direction. Look, on the lows, 158.21, making new lows, 158.19, making new lows. So look, Nvidia on the low, making new lows. Look, 178.20, 178.20. All right, not making new lows right now. 178.40s. Nope, making new lows. Look, 178.24, but looking like it's heading lower. And then look at Tesla. Made a new low. It's trying to bounce a little bit, and that's because look, the S&P 500's trying to bounce a little bit. Right here at this 4,000 flat. I mean, that's obviously a huge psychological level. That 4,000 right there. Now, I mean, no one has a crystal ball, but like, damn, where'd my other chart go? I've lost it. Where is it? What did I have up there? Oh, Tesla. No one has a crystal ball, but if we crack that 4,000 flat level, it's a huge psychological level, bro. And I believe if we crack that, like, we could see some major movement to the downside. If you ask me. No Siri. Freeze. Freeze, motherfucker.